Today we're going to talk about my friend, the Unipest bait station. Now, I'm going to show you in this video how to manufacture or how to make a fully compliant Unipest bait station. The Unipest bait station is exactly like any other piece of handheld equipment that we have. It's subject to certain rules and regulations of labeling requirements that we will show you in a following video. But it's also subject to certain weight requirements. It used to be in the old days we could buy plastic bait stations and we could stick them out pretty much relatively anywhere where we saw the rats, and there were few rules attached to it. But out of a concern for wildlife, kids, raccoons, so on and so forth, they've created a law that now bait stations have to be weighted. That's why the Unipest bait station has the big, heavy 22-pound paver stone on it. Now the rule says that it has to be on a paver stone that's heavy enough that a 6-year-old can't manipulate it, or it has to be glued to the ground or anchored into the ground. In a nutshell, it has to be secured enough so that an innocent child or an animal could not simply pick it up and then shake out the bait. The way that at Unipest we accomplish this task is by simply mounting every single one of our bait stations to a very heavy paver stone so we're fully compliant. And how do you do that? Well, first you have to take the bait station. Okay, we get all kinds of bait stations shipped to our office and they're outside in the bait station fabrication area. So you take the bait station and then you take the Tyvek screws. They are blue masonry screws that are meant to be drilled into cement. There is a red impact hammer drill that is next to these Tyvek screws. And the first thing you have to do is place the bait station on top of one of the many paver stones that we provide in the office. You need to make sure that you align the back of the bait station so it's not hanging over the edge of the paver stone, okay? And that the lid is able to open. If the paver stone is too far forward or too far back, you won't be able to open up the lid of the bait station. So place the bait station on top of the paver stone, drill with the impact drill through the bait station end through the paver stone, and then secure the bait station with those blue Tyvek screws. It is best to place 3 Tyvek screws into the paver stone so it's completely secure. In case one happens to pop out, you still have 2 others. You don't want the bait station wobbling around too much. Once you have the bait station manufactured, make sure you put the sticker label on it and fill it out upon placement at the job site with the proper EPA registration number, and you have a fully complete, ready to place bait station. So once again, in summary, in order to manufacture properly a bait station, you need the plastic bait station itself, okay? You need the blue screws that are masonry screws. You need the drill that has the bit on it to drill through the paver stones, the masonry bit, and you also need the secondary drill that has the adapter on it to screw in the screws. You need the paver stone itself, and then you also need to make sure that you have the sticker you're going to place on it. Once you put the black bait station on the paver stone and you drill the holes, then screw them in and place the sticker on, you are ready to rock and roll. Now you just need to be taught how to place the bait station. That's coming up next. When you're deciding where to put the bait station on the paver stone, make sure that if it's up against the wall, that this bait station isn't over the paver stone. Make sure that the back of the bait station is flush with where the wall will be. So when you want to open the lid, it can open easily.